Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Nageshwara, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering from Nalla Narasimha Education Societies and Group of Institutions, Hyderabad, Telangana. Let us discuss one topic, speed studies from Transportation Engineering of Coordinate, that is Traffic Engineering and Regulation. So what is speed studies? The actual speed of vehicles over a particular route may fluctuate widely depending on several factors such as geometric factors, traffic conditions, time, place, environment, and driver. Is known as speed study. So when we are moving on a road with a particular speed, so something is happened, then what happened? Automatically our speed will be reduced depending upon the all kind of the parameters like geometry, design, alignment, traffic flow, condition, time, place, environmental, whatever it may be. So depends upon this criterion, automatically our speed will be fluctuate. So we will discuss some of the points here. So travel time. So travel time is the reciprocal of a speed and is a simple measure of how all well a road network is operating. Travel time is a very important decision. So it depends upon the road. So normally village roads at that particular road cannot move with the maximum speed. At the same time, there is a national highway, expressway, or a state highway. On that place, we cannot move with a little speed. So depends upon the condition. We need to maintain the travel time automatically. And here the spot speed. It means instantaneous speed of a vehicle at a specified section or location. So in a particular location or at a particular specified section, at that vehicular speed is instantaneous. So that is known as spot speed. And at the same, another one is the average speed. The average of the spot speeds of all vehicles passing a given point on the highway at that particular point. And there are two definitions for the average of a series of spot speed measurements via spaceman speed. Another one is the time mean speed. So spaceman speed means harmonic mean. So average speed of vehicles in a certain road length at a given instant time. So at particular time, so certain road. So that is the spaceman mean speed we can say. This is obtained from the observed t travel time of a vehicle over a relative length stretch of the road. So we can take the formula here. Vs is equal spaceman speed. Vs is equals to NL, N into L upon summation I is equals to 1 to N and Ti. So N is number of vehicles and V is the speed of the vehicle, we can say here. And another point is time mean speed. So here mean speed of the vehicle at a point in space over a period of time, or it is the average of instantaneous speed of observed vehicles at the particular spot. So here Vt, time mean speed here. So summation I tends to 1 to N, that is Vi upon small n. You can say this is. And the space mean speed is slightly lower than time mean speed and the typical speed condition on the rural highways. And here another point is there, that is running speed. is the average speed maintained by a vehicle over the particular stretch of the road. In a particular road, and it depends upon the road. So we need to maintain the constant speed while the vehicle in the motion. This is obtained by the dividing the distance covered by the time during which the vehicle is actually in motion. And here another point also is the overall speed is there, or travel speed. It is the effective speed with which a vehicle travels a particular route between two terminals. This is obtained by dividing the total distance traveled by the total time taken, including all delays and stopping and routes. So we can say this journey speed also. And speed studies carried out the occasionally given the general trends in speed. So there are two types of the speed studies carried out here. One is a spot speed study, and another one is the speed and delay study. So some of the uses is there here. So uses of spot speed study. So to use in planning, traffic control, and in traffic regulation, and to use in geometric design for redesigning the existing highways, for deciding design, and to use in accident studies, and to use the traffic capacity to decide the speed trends, to compare diverse type of drivers and vehicles under the specific condition. So this is uses of a spot speed study, and this is a speed and delay study. These are the uses. To speed and delay study give the running speed, overall speed, fluctuations in the speed, and the delay between two stations of a road. It gives the information such as the amount, location, duration, and causes of delay. The result of the spot and delay studies are useful in detecting the spot of conjugations. Fixed delay occurs primarily at the intersection due to traffic signals and level crossing here. And guys, here presentation of spot speed study we will discuss briefly here. So we have three categories is there here: average speed of the vehicles, cumulative speed of the vehicles, and modal averages is there, and we will discuss according to these parameters. So first one is the average speed of the vehicle. We will discuss a little bit. From the spot speed data of the selected samples, the frequency distribution table are prepared by the arranging the data in groups covering various speed ranges and the number of vehicles in such range. So we need to calculate here basically average speed of the vehicle. So in a different ranges we need to select first. So at that particular ranges we need to calculate the speed of a particular vehicle, and we are converted into the average speed of the vehicle. That is the arithmetic mean is taken the average speed over. So the table gives the general information of the speed maintained on the section, and also regarding the speed distribution pattern. So we need to calculate first the average speed of the vehicle. Afterwards, we need to take the precautions and everything on the road. And we need to maintain your speed distribution pattern. So from the collection of the traffic controls. And another point is, guys, here cumulative speed of the vehicle. A graph is plotted here. The average volume of each speed, group on the x-axis, and cumulative percentage of the vehicle traveled is below in different speeds on y-axis. From this graph, so 85% speed is found out, which give the speed at our below 85%. And here the vehicles are passing the point on the highway are only 15%, but the vehicle exceeds the speed at the spot. The drivers exceeding 85th percentile speed are usually considered to drive faster than the safe speed under existing condition, and hence this speed is adapted for the safe speed limited at this zone. However, for the purpose of highway geometric design, 98th percentile speed is taken. The 15% speed is represents the lower speed or limiting of if the desired to prohibit slow moving vehicles to decrease delay and conditions. As 85% of the vehicles to the stream level or stream travel at a speed higher than this value, and therefore need overtaking opportunities. And another one is the modal averages. A frequency distribution curve of a spot speed is plotted with the speed of the vehicle. So speed in x-axis as well as frequency in y-axis we are drawing here. This graph is called the speed distribution curve. This curve will have a definite peak value of travel speed across the section, and the speed is denoted as modal speed. The speed distribution curve is helpful in determining the speed at which the greatest proportion of vehicles move given by the modal speed. And here all vehicles do not travel at the same speed at a location along the road. The amount of speed dispersion or the spread from the average speed affects both capacity and safety also. The quality of flow of vehicles in a stream therefore depends on the speed dispersion. Another one is the method of speed and delay study. So here floating car or riding check method is a, and license plate interview method, elevated observation, and photographic techniques. We have different kinds of techniques here there. According to that we need to check. The speed and delay study give the running speeds, overall speeds, fluctuations in the speed, and the delay between two stations on a road spaced far apart. They also give the information such as the amount, the location, duration, frequency, and causes. Floating cost means the vehicle is driven over a given course of travel at approximately the average speed on a street. Hence, synchronized stopwatches or voice recording equipment are used. Observes a stationed at the entrance and existing of a test section where information of travel time is required. And here the interview method, in a sense, the work can be completed in a short time by interviewing and collecting the details from the road users on the particular spot. However, the data collected may not provide with all the details currently. An elevated observation also is there here. Photographic techniques are useful for studying short test section like intersections. Intersection delay studies need specific attention as they possess a major problem to traffic engineer. The floating core and riding checking method we are observed here. The floating core riding checking method is T bar is equals to W minus Ny upon Q. So here TW is average journey time, and here Ny means the average number of vehicles overtaken, and Q is flow of the vehicle or volume per minute in this case. And here Q is equals to Na plus Ny upon Ta plus Tw. T is average journey time in a minute, and Tw is average journey time in a minute with the test vehicle traveling with the stream. Thank you.